In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid lines in Microsoft Whiteboard. This is a great feature that can help organize your thoughts and ensure precision when drawing or jotting down ideas during meetings or brainstorming sessions. To get started, let's open a web browser and search for Microsoft Whiteboard. It is a widely accessible tool and should pop up right away in the search results. Once you find it, click on the link to navigate to the Microsoft Whiteboard homepage. Here, you will see the sign-in option. Tap on that to proceed. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you may already be signed in automatically. If not, simply enter your email address, password, and any other required information to log in. Having a Microsoft account is quite beneficial, as it integrates well with other Microsoft services, making it a seamless experience. Once logged in, you will have the option to either open existing whiteboards or create new ones. If you're working on a new idea or project, starting with a fresh whiteboard can be a good way to have a clean slate. But if you're continuing previous work, just open the relevant whiteboard from your saved list. With your whiteboard open, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll find the settings icon, represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available for customizing your whiteboard experience. In this menu, look for the option labeled Format Background. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the background settings, where the magic happens. This is where you will find various grid options available for selection. These grids come in different styles, such as square, diamond, or triangular patterns. Each of these patterns has its own unique use cases. For example, squares might help with structured layouts, while diamond or triangular grids could be more suited for creative designs or spatial orientation tasks. Now, your final step is to choose the grid style you want to apply across your entire whiteboard. Simply click on your preferred grid type, and it will set as the background for your whiteboard immediately. Selecting a grid can significantly enhance functionality and improve precision, especially if you're dealing with drawings or schematics. And there you have it. You've successfully added grid lines to your Microsoft Whiteboard, making it a more organized and sophisticated workspace for all your creative and professional needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out other tips and features that Microsoft Whiteboard has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy whiteboarding!